going on, you guys? Welcome to another Lady Savage video, and today we're talking all about chest day for females. I get this question all the time on Instagram, Facebook, the YouTube, all that. Crystal, do you work chest? Should I work chest? There's so many people that have this question, so I'm here to answer it for you. This is not specifically my answer. It is my answer, but also it's like science-based. It's proven that when people neglect working their chest, men and women, but we're just going to be focusing on the women right now. When you neglect your chest muscles and you are working your triceps, your biceps, your shoulders, your back, you're working everything else and not working your chest, it can actually cause muscle imbalance. This will pull on your shoulders, your joints, all that kind of stuff very differently than if you were to do a full body workout or routine. When you neglect your chest, you are lacking in that area, and it can also cause you to have an improper posture. It can cause you to kind of like hunch more forward because you are building muscles on every other aspect of your body but your chest, so you're not having that to kind of stand up and upright. When you are neglecting your chest, you can also cause injury that comes from when you are having poor posture. It will prevent you from being able to do those other movements as properly as you could if you were well balanced. And it kind of gives you just like a better, fuller look to your body. Not that women want to look full. You don't want to look full and you don't want to look bulky and all these things that I hear women say I don't want to look like. It's going to give you a well-rounded look. And I hear more often than not that, oh, Crystal, you just have a small chest, you don't get what it's like to have a bigger chest. Actually, when you lift and you have a larger chest, it gives you almost a natural breast lift. I don't know any woman that doesn't want that. So you can have a natural breast lift. There are different areas of your chest that you want to work. There's upper, lower, all of this stuff. So you can kind of focus a little bit more on certain movements that you prefer, but I would suggest doing a little bit of all of them. And then you don't have to go crazy with it. You can kind of just do whatever feels good, maybe 3 or 4 exercises once or twice a week if you're kind of staying more to the minimum. But if you want to increase, you can do it more something like what I do is a full chest day. If you are kind of wanting to build your shoulders more, you can mix chest with your shoulders. But making sure to get in some chest exercises is super important. Another thing is a lot of women want to have they want to get rid of this flabby underarm area right here, which is your tricep. And in order to build the right type of tricep and shoulders, you are probably gonna need a little bit of chest muscles. So actually building your chest will help you to get the shoulders and the triceps that you are looking for. So I just wanted to kind of get that across to you guys. It is super important to have a well-rounded body. It's the same thing as when women want to just work their glutes but don't want to work the rest of their legs, or they don't want to build their back. It causes a muscle imbalance. You don't want to do one body part several times a week and neglect other areas. You should be doing either full body exercises or hitting every body part at least once a week. So that is that. If you guys have any other questions or concerns or anything like that, always comment below. But for now, I'll see you next time.